O prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the women of the believers to bring down over themselves of their outer garments. That is more suitable, that they will be known and not be abused. And ever is Allah forgiving and merciful.
Story of a girl Amina, how hijab, parda, changes her life. Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a vibrant young girl named Amina. Born into a loving Muslim family, Amina enjoyed the vibrant tapestry of life that surrounded her. Her days were filled with laughter, friends, and the joy of exploration. She cherished the moments spent with her family, celebrating traditions and relishing the warmth of their cultural heritage. One day, as Amina strolled through the city with her friends, a girl named Sarah shared a conversation that would forever change the trajectory of Amina's life. Sarah spoke passionately about the beauty of hijab and the profound sense of identity and purpose it brought to her life. Intrigued by Sarah's words, Amina decided to delve deeper into the meaning and significance of hijab. She sought guidance from religious scholars, engaged in heartfelt conversations with her family, and delved into the verses of the Quran that spoke about modesty and covering. As her understanding deepened, Amina felt a profound connection with the teachings of Islam. One evening, after much contemplation, Amina made a decision that would reshape her journey. She chose to embrace the practice of hijab, a symbolic commitment to modesty, dignity, and submission to Allah. As she draped the fabric over her head for the first time, a sense of tranquility enveloped her. Amina felt a newfound strength, a connection with her faith that transcended the physical. Her journey towards practical Islam began with the simple act of covering, but it extended far beyond. Amina started to integrate Islamic principles into her daily life. She observed the 5 daily prayers, began to engage in acts of charity, and sought knowledge about her religion. The once carefree girl now found profound joy in her newfound spiritual connection. Amina's transformation did not go unnoticed by those around her. Friends and family witnessed the positive changes in her character, the kindness that emanated from her actions, and the steadfastness of her faith. Amina's journey inspired those close to her, and conversations about Islam and the significance of hijab became common in her circle. As Amina embraced her practical Muslim identity, she encountered challenges and faced occasional misconceptions. Yet her unwavering commitment to her faith allowed her to navigate through these hurdles with grace and resilience. Amina's story became a testament to the transformative power of faith and the beauty that lies in personal growth and spiritual development. Amina's journey was not just about wearing a piece of fabric, it was a profound exploration of identity, purpose, and submission to the divine. She became a beacon of inspiration for others, demonstrating that embracing Islamic principles could lead to a fulfilling and purposeful life. Amina's story served as a reminder that the path to practical Islam is not just a change in appearance, but a profound transformation of the heart and soul.
Dear viewers, today we delve into a topic that holds deep cultural and religious significance of hijab in Islam. Join me as we explore the wisdom and reasons behind this practice. In the journey of life, we encounter various choices that shape our identity and define our values. The practice of wearing hijab is one such choice that many Muslim women make. Today, we explore the profound reasons behind this practice. Section 1. Understanding the command of Allah. Allah says in Quran, O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the women of the believers to bring down over themselves part of their outer garments. That is more suitable that they will be known and not be abused. And ever is Allah forgiving and merciful. The core principle behind hijab is obedience to the command of Allah. The Quran emphasizes the concept of modesty and covering in several verses. By wearing hijab, Muslim women aim to align themselves with the divine guidance provided in the Quran. Section 2. Symbol of submission and devotion. Wearing hijab is not merely about covering the physical appearance. It symbolizes submission and devotion to Allah. It serves as a constant reminder of one's commitment to Islamic principles, fostering a connection between the wearer and her creator. Section 3. Protection and dignity. O children of Adam, we have bestowed upon you clothing to conceal your private parts and as adornment, but the clothing of righteousness, that is best. That is from the signs of Allah that perhaps they will remember. Hijab acts as a shield, protecting women from unwarranted attention and maintaining their dignity. In a world often driven by superficial judgments, hijab empowers women by redirecting the focus towards their intellect, character, and actions. Section 4. Equality and Liberation. Contrary to misconceptions, hijab is a symbol of liberation, not oppression. It promotes the idea that women are valued for their minds and personalities, rather than their physical attributes. By embracing hijab, women assert their equality and demand to be judged on merit. Section 5. Reflection of faith and identity. Hijab is not merely a piece of fabric. It is an expression of faith and identity. Muslim women who choose to wear hijab carry with them a visible sign of their commitment to Islam, fostering a sense of belonging and unity within the Muslim community. Hijab is a profound and deeply personal choice rooted in religious convictions. It stands as a testament to a woman's commitment to modesty, dignity, and submission to Allah's command. By understanding the wisdom behind this practice, we can promote respect, tolerance, and a deeper appreciation for diversity in our global society. Thank you for joining me in exploring the reasons behind hijab. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening discussions. Until next time, may peace and blessings be upon you all.